light winds. Monday night, partly cloudy. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 160, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Hancock, Tennessee, and the following counties in Virginia: Lee and Wise, and the Virginia independent city of Norton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now your 7 day.
This is just the start of it. Nice warm evening for thunderstorms, if I do say so myself. Wouldn't you agree? Yes.